Hello students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is nth term of an AP. So we will discuss about the nth term of an AP. So first of all, we should know what is an AP. So AP is a sequence. So your AP is a sequence of numbers. Okay, it can be finite and it can be finite and infinite. So since it is a sequence of numbers, so it will look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So this is a sequence. Okay, this is a sequence of consecutive numbers. This is a sequence like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is a sequence of even numbers. This is also a sequence of 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on, 50, multiples of 10. So these are all sequence. So sequence means, by the word sequence, we mean like this. Okay. And in point of view of AP, so a sequence is said to be AP. A sequence is said to be AP when your common difference is same. Your common difference between the two consecutive terms, common difference between two consecutive terms should be overall same. Should be overall same. It should be overall same. The common difference between two consecutive terms should be overall same. See, consecutive terms means 1, 2, 3. They all are coming next to next. So this 1, 2, then again consecutive, then 3, 4. They are consecutive terms. So consecutive terms in case of even is 2, 4, 6 means continuous. Okay. So common difference should between the two consecutive numbers over all the sequence, over all the numbers, it should be same. So see, if I find out the common difference. Now how to find out the common difference? Your next term minus previous term. So here it is 2 minus 1, it is coming 1. In this case 3 minus 2, it is your 1. So this type, in this way we can calculate our common difference and it should be same overall. Similarly. So this was the small introduction about AP. So a sequence is said to be AP for all the common difference should be same. And the first term is your known as A. Okay, the first term is known as A. Now what do we mean by nth term? So what is your nth term of an AP? See, the nth term of an AP means, say if I write a sequence, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is my sequence with numbers. So if I want to represent like this term as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Okay. This is my first term, which is denoted by A1. This is my second term denoted by A2. This is my third term denoted by A3, fourth term A4, and fifth term is A5. Similarly, if I write like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, this is an AP. And its first term A1, its first term A2, its first term A3, its third term is 8, second term is 4, third term is 6, fourth term is 8, fifth term is like this. So its first term is this, second term is this, third term is like this. So similarly, if this is not the complete sequence, there are many numbers. So in between, if I want to find a number at nth place, an, I don't know what will be the value here. So my random value is an. It can be an, am, ap, aq, anything. So in between, it is just denoting that an nth term. This is my fifth term. I am writing like E5. This is my first, second, third, fourth term. I am writing like this. So this is my, if I starting from this, it is my nth term. I will write like this. So nth term means an. Let us suppose in this sequence 2, 4, 6, 8. Maybe here mth term. I want to find the mth term. So this number will be represented by AM. So mth term means 100 term, 200 term, 5th term, 6th term, 20th term, anything. So if I want to find 20th term, it will be A20. If I want to find 100th term, it will be A100. So this is our concept of nth term. So you have to find the number in between the sequence and it is denoted by AM or AN. It is just number variable. You can put any APQ, anything. Okay. So this is the nth term, definition of an nth term. So let's see one example. If I have an is equals to 3n plus 1. See, a nth term is given. A nth term is given. That means nth term is like this. This sequence is going on, and here in between your nth term, your nth term is like dot 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 sequence is going on, and it is your 3n plus 1. It is given 3n plus 2. Now you want to find. You have to find the first value a1, a2, a3, a4 and a5. Okay, just you have to find the values of all this a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 and so on. So a1 means it is your first term. It is your first term, and an means your nth term, that is in between the sequence in anywhere in between the sequence. So a1 is always your first term. One implies first. So a1 is your first term. So how to find the value of a1 from this information? Just put the value n equal to 1 here. So it is a1 means 3 plus 2, it is your 5. A2 means 3 into 2, 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. 3. A3 is equal to, now you have to find the third value A3. A3 is equal to 3, 3 is 9, 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11. A4, that is your fourth term. Fourth term means A4 is equal to 4, 3 is 12, 12 plus 2, 14. And A5 means 3 into 5, 15 plus 2, that is your 17. So in this way you have to calculate the sequence of the term. So if they ask you to find the 100 term, okay, so how to find the 100? That is it is your 100 value, put n is equals to 100. In the main sequence it will be your 3 into 100. What it will be? 3 into 100, 300 plus 2, 302. So in this question you were given a nth term that is in between the sequence of a number. There is nth term present, and it is not a numerical value, it is given in terms of n. So how we are finding the sequences? By just putting the values of a1. If I want to find the third position value, so it will be 11. So that means my sequence will look like 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, dot dot dot. My 100 place will be 100 place. So my 100 place will be that this is my 100, a100. So it will be your 302, and nth place it will be an. An is equals to, what is the value given? 3n plus 2. So don't confuse it with last term. Okay, this is an is not your last term. It can be last term, but we cannot say it is your strictly last term. Okay, strictly, but it is just a number in between the sequence. Okay. I hope you understood this topic. Now, if sequence an is given like this, 3 to the power n. Okay, an again nth term is given 3 to the power n. 3 to the power n is your nth term which is given. Now what we have to find? We have to find this all the complete sequence, just like a1, a2, a3. Now since your nth term value is given like this 3 to the power n. So what if a1 means n is 1, put 1, it is your 3. What is a2? A2 is your 3 to the power 2, 9. That means this place value is 3, this place value is 9, this place value will be 27. Like this, a3, 3 to the power 3, this is your 27, and so on. Okay. So this will be the sequence, complete sequence. So if nth term is given, you can generate the sequence. Okay, just we are generating the sequence. Okay, there is the sequence. We are not discussing whether they are AP or not. We have to generate a sequence like this if you have given nth term. Okay. Now write a sequence with nth term. Write a sequence with nth term. So we have to find the write a sequence. Write the sequence with nth term. An is equal to 3 plus 4n, and check whether it is an AP or not. Okay, after forming the sequence, we have to check whether it is an AP or not. So this is your nth term, means you have A1, A2, dot dot dot, An in between somewhere. So this value is given as 3 plus 4n. Okay, so now you have to find your A1. A1 means 3 plus 4, it will be your 7. It is your A2 means 3 plus 4 to the 8, it is your 11. A3 is your 3 plus 4 is your 12, it is your 15. A4 is equal to 3 plus 16 is equal to 19, like this. So now your sequence will look like 7, 11, 15, 19 and so on. Now in order to verify that it is an AP or not, check the common difference of the consecutive terms. So here the common difference is 4, it is also 4, it is also 4. Yes, common difference is 6. So this sequence is an AP. So in this way, we have to calculate. We should know what is your nth term and how to find the sequence if your nth term are given. Okay, so it is very important, very important topic about the nth term. So that's all for today's session. I hope you understood the topic. If you have any doubt, you can contact me through my Urban Pro Profile app. Till then, revise. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you.